Leroy was a worker at a small, quaint pharmacy in Arkansas, but his skills as a salesman left much to be desired. Time and time again, he just couldn't seem to find the item the customer needed. Arnold, the owner, had grown increasingly frustrated with Leroy's inability to make a sale, and he decided to give him an ultimatum. Sternly, Arnold warned Leroy that if he missed one more sale, he'd be out of the job. As luck would have it, a man walked into the pharmacy shortly thereafter, coughing and hacking away. He approached Leroy and asked for their best cough syrup to relieve his symptoms. Leroy, determined to make the sale and keep his job, searched high and low for the cough syrup but just couldn't locate it. Desperate and remembering Arnold's warning, he grabbed a box of laxatives off the shelf, sold it to the man, and instructed him to take the entire box at once. The customer, trusting Leroy's recommendation, complied and then made his way outside, leaning against a post for support. Arnold, who had been observing the entire exchange, confronted Leroy and demanded to know what had just happened. Leroy, trying to justify his actions, explained, "Well, the man came in looking for something to help with his cough, but I couldn't find the cough syrup, so I gave him laxatives instead and told him to take the whole box in one go." Arnold's face turned beet red as he exploded. "You did what? Laxatives are going to cure a cough? That's a completely different issue." But Leroy replied, "I think you'll find they will. Just take a look at him. He's too afraid to cough."